Do you have zucchini growing in your garden like I do? And do they look like this, out of control? Well, I was able to go out this morning and pick some good-sized zucchini, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, easy recipe that's going to wow your family. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao, my name is Lucia, and thank you for tuning in to GreenOlive Cooking. This is a channel where I bring food and memories through wholesome Italian cooking to your kitchen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's my way of letting you know I have a new recipe for you. So today I have a treat for you. I've actually got my mother Oriana and my grandmother Grace with us. And my mom is actually going to show us a recipe that she makes with the zucchini. Like I mentioned earlier, we got a ton of it growing in the backyard. So this is one that she does with ricotta cheese. So Mom, what's the first thing we do?
Well, first thing we do, we're going to cut off the ends of these zucchini.
Okay.
Both ends. And then we're going to parboil them for about 5 minutes.
Okay, got water in there. Okay, so let's parboil those for about 5 minutes.
Okay. In the meantime, we can get our other ingredients together.
Okay. So right now, we've parboiled the zucchini. They were in for about 5 minutes. And I scooped out the middles, and so now I'm taking the middles and I'm just go ahead and chopping them. We also sauteed some onions that we added to our bowl, and now my mom is going to grate some zucchini in. And now this one she's going to grate in with the skins, because the green actually adds a nice color to the zucchini. It's not going to be completely white because all the other ingredients are white, so this will give it some color. So I chopped up all the insides, but it's a little bit more than what I want, so I'm probably going to only take about half. So we're going to add that to the bowl. So you can scoop half that in, Mom.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, now what are we going to add in next, Mom?
Well, next we are going to add 1 egg. And we're going to add in some ricotta cheese. About, I don't know, about 3/4 of a cup should be fine. And some grated cheese.
Okay.
I'm going to add in just a couple tablespoons.
I forgot to grab this.
We're going to mix all this together.
A little olive oil on the bottom of the pan.
Yes.
And then I'll add the zucchini in here. You want me to put some mozzarella in?
Yes, and then we're going to put some mozzarella balls or cube mozzarella, whichever you prefer.
So just
That's
line
fine.
them.
Yep.
3 or 4 in each
Yep,
one.
that's fine.
Okay. All right, so our
Okay. And
filling
then
is
we're just
salted.
going to put in our filling into each one.
Okay. This is gonna be yummy. I don't know what wouldn't be yummy with ricotta and homemade, or mozzarella balls and homemade ricotta cheese.
Right. And fresh zucchini from the yard.
Yeah.
So now we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over them.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. Okay. And then just sprinkle a little bit of grated cheese on top of all of them, and this will make it nice and golden brown on the top and crusty. That's it.
All right, so our stuffed zucchini now out of the oven. It took about 40 minutes. I ended up having to put the broiler on. My mother has a convection oven, so it gets nice and golden brown on the top. I don't have a convection oven, so we did put the broiler on for a couple minutes just to kind of crisp up the top. And you can see how beautiful they are. And this is just such a great light summer dish. I will include another video here that is something that you can pair with this side dish. And just go ahead and give it a try, and I'd love to hear what you have to say. And I also love to know, what kind of zucchini recipes do you have, since you have an abundance of zucchini in the garden? What do you think, Grandma?
Delicious.
It was very good. All right, well, thank you guys for being here today. And we'll check you guys out in the next video.